Hey guys, and welcome to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Doctrina AI account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Doctrina AI and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Doctrina. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided, but for now, as we want to log into our account, right here at the top right section, next to the sign up, you will find something like login. Simply click on it. It's gonna redirect you to this login page. Simply enter your credentials right here. That's your username and password. Now that everything's okay, simply hit on this login button right here. As you can see, we have successfully logged into our account. Now what we want to do is try to log out. If you don't know how to log out, simply follow us step by step. At the top right corner of the screen, you will find something like a profile icon. Simply click on it. It's gonna redirect you to your profile. And right here you can look at many things, like you can enable or disable dark mode. And right here is the logout button. Simply click on it. And there you have it. That's how you log out of your Doctrina AI account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log out of your Doctrina AI account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.